afternoon, students. I'm Naila Haris, your science teacher, and hope you are all fine and you are in good health. Let's start our lecture, chapter number 7, Introduction to Chemistry. You have already studied the structure of atom and the structure of molecules. Okay, structure of an atom. I have drawn an atom of chlorine. The center of the atom, it contains protons and neutrons. And these circles, these are showing that electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Okay? These dots, red dots, these represents that the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. This shell is called as outermost shell, and it is also called as valence shell. All the other shells that are lying between the outermost shell and the nucleus are called as inner shells. Okay, you know that protons carries positive charge. Okay, one proton carries positive 1 charge, neutrons are neutral, and electrons carry negative charge. So, one electron carries negative 1 charge. These all protons, neutrons, and electrons are called as subatomic particles. You know that atom is electrically neutral because positive charges and negative charges, they balance each other, and atom as a whole is a neutral particle. Okay, let's come to our topic. Topic is about ions. First of all, the definition of ion: an electrically charged particle formed when an atom or molecule gains or loses electrons. What is the meaning of electrically charged? Electrically charged means that it carries positive or a negative charge. And the definition is that this electrically charged particle is formed when an atom or a molecule gains or loses electrons. Or you can define it as it is an atom or molecule that has a net electrical charge. Net electrical charge means that if positive and negative charges cancel each other, then ion carries positive 1 or positive 2 charge, or any other number, or negative 1 or negative 2 charge if they cancel each other. Next is types of ions. First one is positive ion or cation. Second one is negative ion or anion. The names, these are mentioned, that cations and anions. Hope you have studied the electrolytic cell. Cations are named after the electrode cathode because cations move towards the cathode. That's why these are called as cations. And anions they move towards the anode, so these are named as anions. Okay, the definition of positive ion or cation. You know that an atom is an electrically neutral particle. So when an atom loses an electron, a positively charged ion or cation is formed. So when an atom loses an electron, okay, अगर उसमें से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव होता है तो उस पर कौन सा चार्ज आ जाएगा? पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा. ठीक है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? कैटायन कहते हैं. This ion has more protons than electrons. So, cations में protons जो हैं वो electrons से ज़्यादा होते हैं. ठीक है, एक प्रोटॉन भी ज़्यादा हो सकता है, 2 प्रोटॉन्स भी ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं, और 3 प्रोटॉन्स भी ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ cations. We have taken sodium atom. Sodium, the symbol of sodium is Na, capital N and small a. This symbol is derived from its Greek name. It is called as natrium. English name is sodium and Greek name is natrium. Okay, when sodium atom loses one electron, it forms unipositive ion. It carries positive 1 charge. Sodium atom carries protons 11. It means we have already studied that one proton carries positive 1 charge and it has 11 protons, so it carries 11 positive charges. Electrons, these are also present in this atom, is 11 and 11 negative charges are present. And I have already told you that atom is electrically neutral. These 11 positive charges and these 11 negative charges, they balance each other, and this atom as a whole is a neutral particle. Now consider this positive ion, sodium positive ion. Protons, 11 protons, 11 positive charges. It loses one electron. It already has 11 electrons. Now it has 10 electrons, 10 negative charges. So positive charges are more than negative charges. So it carries positive 1 charge because it loses 1 electron. I have drawn another diagram of sodium atom, but it is not given in your book, just for your information. This is the center of the nucleus, sodium atom, protons 11, neutrons 11, and it also has 11 electrons. Its outermost shell carries 1 electron. This sodium atom loses this 1 electron and it gets positive 1 charge. Now, sodium is losing 1 electron. Protons are more than electrons. Positive 1 charge shows that it loses 1 electron. If an atom loses 2 electrons, it will get positive 2 charge. An example of the positive 2 charge is magnesium 2 positive because it loses 2 electrons. Fifth point is size of positive ion is always smaller than the neutral atom. As I have already drawn, this is sodium atom. When it loses 1 electron, its size shrinks. Okay, students, are you getting my point? Next is negative ion or anion. Definition: if an atom gains an electron. In this case, the atom is gaining electron. It will form a negative ion. When an atom gains an electron, it forms negative ion. And you already know that electron carries negative charge. So, when an atom carries negative charge, it will form a negative ion. This ion has more electrons than protons. This ion has more electrons than protons. Protons are less than electrons. Now consider the example of chlorine atom. Chlorine, when it gains 1 electrons, it carries negative 1 charge. Now consider the atom of chlorine. It carries protons 17, electrons 17. So it means that it carries 17 positive charges and 17 negative charges. Both positive and negative charges balances each other, and chlorine as a whole is a neutral atom. Now chlorine gains 1 electron, so it gets negative 1 charge. Protons 17 positive charges, and already it has 17 electrons. Now it gets 1 more electron, so it forms 18 negative charges. So it means that positive charges are less than negative charges, so it gets negative charge. This is the formation of chloride ion. This is chlorine atom and this is called as chloride ion. Now discuss some points about this chlorine atom. Number 1, chlorine gains 1 electron, only 1 electron. Second point is electrons are more than protons. You know that electrons are more than protons. Negative 1 charge shows that chlorine gains 1 electron. Chlorine is getting 1 electron, so it gets negative 1 charge. If an atom gains 2 electrons, it will get negative 2 charge. Example इसकी है oxygen 2 negative. Fifth point is size of the negative ion is larger than its neutral atom. As chlorine is getting electron, it's gaining something, so it's gaining weight. Okay, its volume is increasing. So chlorine atom is smaller in size than chloride ion. Now students, mark the questions. There are 2 short questions related to this topic. Question number 10 and 11 of your notes, and long question number 10 is given in your notes. Okay, you have to memorize these short questions and long questions as well. Okay students, Allah Hafiz. Hope you have understood the topic today.